Okay, Jess, today we are working on mixed number subtraction. So we're working on the problem that says we have 3 1/3 cups of milk at home. Nope, I'm sorry, we need 3 1/3 for our recipe. This is where need. We have 1 2/3 cups. So the first question is we have to set up a number sentence to solve this problem. Can you help me set up a number sentence?
13.
No, we don't have 13. Let's just take our 3 1/3 and our 1 2/3 and make a number sentence format. What's our number model going to be?
3 1/3 minus.
Maybe I should write that more clearly. I think I'm confusing you with how I'm writing this. 3 1/3 minus
1 2/3
equals
B.
B. Okay, we're going to call it B. B is our unknown. So B is our question mark. We're trying to solve for B. Okay, so I'm going to translate this over to the next page. 3 1/3 minus 1 2/3 equals, and we're trying to solve for that. That's our unknown. Alright, so to do the subtraction of mixed numbers, the first thing you have to do is eliminate the mixed number. We're going to turn it, as you said, into what?
Into a non-improper fraction.
That's right, an improper fraction. Our top number is going to be bigger than our bottom number. So there's a rule for how to do this. And it goes like this. You take your number times your denominator plus this. So your big number times your denominator plus the top number.
Your mixed number times your denominator.
Yep, so your 3 times 3 plus 1 equals
7. No, 10.
That's right. So 10 over
3.
That's right. So 10/3 is our first number. Can you do it with this one on the right?
2 times 1 times 2 equals 2.
Try again. We got 1 times
2. 3
equals
3
plus
2 equals 5.
there you go, 5. So 5/3 is our second number. So it's going to be your mixed number, your whole number, times your denominator plus your top number. That's how we got there. So next slide, we have 10/3 minus 5/3.
5/3.
That's right, 5/3. So going back to our initial slide, we need 3 1/3 cups. We have 1 2/3 cups. So the amount more that we need to get is 5/3 cups. Now, do you need to reduce that to a mixed number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 5/3 turn back into a mixed number. How are we going to do that? We have 5/3. We need to make sure that our top number is no more than 3.
1/3.
So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take this top number and we're going to subtract the denominator.
2/3.
5/3 minus 3 equals
2/3.
2/3. And now I take that first one that I subtracted, turn it into a whole. Because it's 3/3 plus 2/3.
1 2/3.
Yep, if you were to write it out, it would be 3/3 plus 2/3 equals 5/3. So your answer is 1 2/3 much. That's how many cups of milk you need.